Hey everybody, Scott Walters, welcome to the channel. If you're new, I want to thank you for coming. If you're returning, I want to thank you for your continued support. Before we get into today's red hot topic, I'm going to politely ask you to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Please watch to the end for my final thought. Hit the bell icon so you're notified when new videos are released. It's very important to stay close to the channel in these very tricky times. All right, folks, welcome to the channel. It's always an honor and a privilege to be with you. I hope you're all doing great. Buckle up and strap in. I got a hard-hitting pull, no punches, no sugarcoating it, no rainbows and sunshine. I'm just going to give it to you and give it to you straight. And folks, are you seeing what's unwinding right now with the U.S. housing market? This one is spinning out of control. We've talked about this for a while now, and everything is playing out, and it's a little bit alarming, a little bit serious, isn't it? Even as a guy who's reported on this since the beginning of the buying euphoria that said, hey, listen, there's no way this one sustains itself. It's even hard for me to watch this one play out as prepared as I am. And again, at the end of the day, our job is to be prepared. Only a prepared mind is going to see opportunity, friends, and many people are very unprepared right now, which brings me to today's topic. Sellers are starting to panic. If they're not, they're about ready to. The writing is on the wall. Open houses have turned into ghost towns. People can't even get anybody to come to their open houses right now. This is insanity what's going on. The only way to get your house sold is to come on at a very realistic number. And this is the challenge, friends. Today we're going to take a little look at a Redfin article just to kind of drive this point home, because when you have Redfin, a real estate company whose stock has taken a massive hit, who's holding on by their fingernails, doing their best to sugarcoat this the best they can, but also have to tell the truth. You're forced to report the truth, but they're trying to do it in a way that hopefully is going to segue people into continuing to go out and buy in the biggest housing bubble ever produced in world history. And friends, I just want to let you know, please be careful of the mainstream media, especially reports that come out of these big websites and real estate companies. They are very biased to this industry, and we've seen this suckers rally. We've seen this dead cat bounce before in a housing bubble that has identified itself and showed itself as a housing bubble and then starts to trend the other direction. A lot of these websites have, of course, a lot of data available to them where they can report on their data. They're lagging data, the data that's not going to help you get ahead of the curve, that's going to keep you chasing the market. And at the end of the day, we've always talked about this, only a forward thinker, critical thinker is going to be able to navigate their way through this one. So with that being said, let's go ahead and run this little clip of a Redfin article, and then we'll meet back here and wrap this one up. All right, let's take a little sneak peek at this Redfin article together. So here they go. Redfin reports balance is returning to the housing market as competition eases. Home buyers are getting some relief as sellers slash prices at a record rate and mortgage rates drop following months of increases. So here's the thing. I mean, this is the writing on the wall, and Redfin's obviously going to sugarcoat this. They have to, because the last thing they want to, tell people is that there's a problem. So it goes on and gets a quote from an industry professional. I tell my sellers that they need to price their homes realistically from the get-go. If they don't, their home may end up sitting on the market and they may have to drop their prices, possibly more than once, to attract buyers. Right, so there you go. There's a little clip from Redfin basically letting people know you are going to have to be very realistic when coming on the market right now when you're selling your house. If you're not, you're going to get stuck on market and go through price reductions. And anybody that's watched this channel before knows and has heard me say the kiss of death in real estate is when you start showing price reductions, and real estate agents mismanaging their clients by letting their clients set the price just in order to get that listing agreement, and then having to come tell their seller, their clients, we got no offers. I suggest a price reduction. That is a tough conversation to have, to sit down with the seller after you were promising them rainbows and sunshine. I'm going to get you off the market. Oh yes, you're right. Your house has many upgrades and we should be able to ask more. What? Insanity. Listen, friends, I'm going to cut to the chase right now. If you're selling a house, if you're going to be selling a house, if you know somebody that's selling their house, you have one thing to do right now. Come on the market under market value. That is the number one thing. I don't care if it's by 1%, 5%, 10%. If you come on the market at appraised values, you're showing no value. You're showing a basically top of the market sale. Nobody is going to enter into a recession paying full price for anything anymore. If they are, it's going to be a pool about this big. You won't even be able to find anybody willing to do it. So what if I'm selling your house? The number one thing I have to do, I'm gonna have to come. Do you want to get your house sold? Would you like to know my strategy on how we're going to get you a few offers on this house in a very tough market right now? Even though prices are stuck a little bit high, guess what? Which way they're trending? Not up, they're going down. So the only way we can get sold is to get in front of this. If I can come on the market slightly below everybody else, guess all the buyers that are, in fact, if there's any out there, whose house are they going to come look at? Yours. Why? Because we came on at a better price than everybody else. And then maybe I can create a little bit of euphoria around that, because if I see other people touring your house, if there's other people touring your house, guess what they're going to do? They're going to feel the pressure and write an offer. If you come on at the top of the market, I'll be lucky to get anybody over here. And if I do, they're going to try to lowball us. I'm just warning you right now, I'd rather pass on this listing than take it and walk you through price reductions and have at the end of this sale, you taking, either firing me or taking an offer that you didn't want, and then our relationship's no good anymore. I would rather salvage a relationship than try to sabotage somebody into making a sale and then hate me for doing it because I told him I could get him a price and I couldn't deliver. In final thoughts, I come to you as a friend, as a real estate professional. Somebody wants to see you not only win in real estate, win in life, understanding that right now you're in the biggest housing bubble ever created in world history, trending the opposite direction. The only way to understand this thing is to get in front of it, admit there's a problem, and know how to navigate through that. A real estate professional that's got his head on straight understands that straight shooter and did not drink the Kool-Aid through the euphoria is the only one, in my opinion, that's going to be able to make it happen for you. It is so important right now that we no longer sugarcoat it, pull no punches, come in and just give it straight. As hard as the truth may be, it's going to be a hard pill to swallow for many sellers right now because, my friends, I hate to say it, it is over. It is game over right now. There is only one way, only one direction prices are going, and it is not up. So now it becomes, if you're forced to market, how are you going to do it? You're going to be strategic and you're going to come on and find out who your competition is and make sure you have them beat. If you appreciate the content, I do want to humbly ask you to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Social media links are in the description of this video if you'd like to contact me there, along with other channels I've appeared on I think you might enjoy if you're interested in buying or selling real estate here in America. Email in the description below. I have a network of top-rated agents in the nation ready to assist. Also, take a look at the affiliate links that are available in the description as well. Great companies looking to help you. If you're watching from your television set today, another video should be coming to your screen at this time, along with an easy subscribe button for your convenience. As always, thank you for your time today. Please go make it count. I will see you on the next video.